Hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to FlowHunt, the ultimate tool to master workflow automation. Today, I'll show you why FlowHunt is your go-to platform for saving time and boosting productivity. And we'll begin with a straightforward example, creating professional meeting minutes. Firstly, with simple prompt engineering, insert prompt, copy and paste the meeting transcript. Okay, so let's start with the basics, creating meeting minutes with ChatGPT. Here's a setup. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create meeting minutes from this transcript. But to make the output a bit more professional, I'm going to define a role. You are a meeting minutes expert. Your goal is to include attendees, the agenda, key decisions, and action points. You can see that this approach works and the output is pretty good, but it's just the starting point. Let's make it even more efficient and go into flow engineering. Flow engineering streamlines the processes by combining structure with automation. And here's how. I'm going to use two documents. Number one, a template for meeting minutes. And you can see I've got all of the required points in here as well. And number two, I'm going to use the transcript from a meeting. So this is a meeting I had with a customer earlier. Then I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to merge these two together. So using this template, I can summarize the transcript and basically it will fill in all of the key details from the meeting. So now you've seen how prompts and flow engineering create a repeatable system, but this still takes a few steps and it's quite manual. Let's simplify it even further. Now this is where FlowHunt shines, and with one click, FlowHunt automates everything. Right, now check this out. Here I am at my FlowHunt dashboard, and I'm going to get a flow from the FlowHunt library. You can do this too. I'm just going to search for meeting minutes. Let's save the flow to My Flows. Now we can open the chatbot here in the right-hand corner, and simply with one click, I'm going to paste my meeting minute transcript into FlowHunt, and you can see the results very quickly indeed. It instantly identifies the attendees, it identifies the structure and the agenda, summarizes key points and action items. So it gives me my minutes, and I've even got a built-in automated email to send to my client straight after the meeting. So I can click on Edit Flow here, and you can see now I've got my chat input, and I've got my chat output, of course. And here's my first prompt. This first prompt is the exact template for my meeting minutes. The second prompt is for the title of the meeting minutes that will be in the report. Then in the second row down here, the workflow is simply to generate a follow-up email, which is including the actual meeting minutes. And you can see that in the first prompt here, and in the second prompt is just the title. It's the same logic that we used earlier, but it's fully automated and consistent every time. And here's the final result, clean, detailed meeting minutes that are ready to share with my client. Thanks for watching the video, and just remember, whether you're working on meeting minutes or complex compliant workflows, FlowHunt makes it fast, easy, and reliable. Start automating your workflows today. I'll see you next time.